Hey Dr. Balzer, my name's Travis Shields. I run Empire SEO. It's a marketing agency over in Beaverton. I wanted to show you a few things you could do today to start bringing in more patients to your practice. I'm going to try to make this nice and short so I don't waste too much of either of our times, but if you like this video and you think I could help grow your business online, then please feel free to reach back out afterwards. So without further ado, the few things I wanted to show you is the content on your website, citations for your Google business profile, and then backlinks to help power up your website. So first up's content. That's basically any text that you can see here on the screen, including what your pictures are saved as even. These are things that search engines, specifically Google, can read. And basically Google gets an idea of what it is that you offer and the areas that you service after going through the content on your website. So to be fully optimized here, you want to have at least 1,000 words of unique authoritative content. So that way you can add in keywords or key phrases that people search in Google when they're looking for you. More importantly, you just want to have better content than your top competitors. But I'll show you what keywords you should be ranking here for in a second. So the second thing I wanted to show you is citations. So looking at Google search, you can see I typed in Midland Chiropractor. And the first thing on top is the local map pack. So this is where your Google business profile ranks. Citations have a lot to do with this section. What a citation is, essentially, it's your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. If you don't know what directories I'm speaking of, for example, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Better Business Bureau, Chamber of Commerce, LinkedIn, Yelp, any of those places online that allows business owners to add their business details and services would be considered a directory. So in order to get ranked in this top 3 in the maps, you need to make sure that you take a look at your competition's citations and you want to see what they're listed in, so that way you can go in there and get yourself listed in the same places. And then you want to add a little bit more, so that way you completely dominate them in that space, and that will help you rank here in the top 3. It's important because, according to Google, about 30% of this traffic will go to this map pack here. So if you're not in the top 3, you're missing out on a lot of people potentially. The last thing I want to cover for you is backlinks. Those have a lot to do with the section right below the map pack. So this is where the organic section starts, right where the websites start. The way backlinks work is when one website has a link, and that link directs right back to your website. So that link shows Google that your website is trustworthy and popular. So looking at one of the tools I have here, it's called Ahrefs. Ahrefs essentially is a company that buys data from Google. So it gives me an idea of what's working well for websites and what doesn't. And it shows me how many backlinks you guys have, what keywords you're ranking for, and how much traffic you're bringing in per month. So we can go in and take a look at your keywords. So you're bringing in 20 people per month for Adio Chiropractic, and there's a little over 1,000 searches per month for that. The reason there's so much for that is probably because there's other Adio chiropractors out there also, so people will just type in Adio Chiropractic, and then however many businesses out there named the same, all that search traffic's going to there. But the keywords that you want to be ranking for is keywords like this, Chiropractor Midland, Michigan. And the reason you want to rank for those keywords is 1, they're looking for your service, and 2, they're in your location. So 400 people a month search Chiropractor Midland, Michigan. You guys are in 7th, and that's bringing you in about 15 people a month. And then you can see Midland Chiropractic and Midland Chiropractor, each bringing in 250 searches per month, so that's another 500. This can be slightly skewed because I've done a lot of research, and I know there's a Midland, Texas that's slightly larger than our Midland. So some of these searches could be coming from Midland, Texas also. But if the person's actually in Midland, Michigan, you guys will pop up for that too if done correctly. Next, we can go into your top competitor here, and the reason I chose them, Preferred Chiropractic of Midland, is because they're on top. So I put them in Ahrefs. You can see that they have 520 backlinks, and your website had 37. So they have a lot more than you guys, and that's likely why they are outranking you and why they're in first for a lot of these keywords here. So we can go in and take a look at theirs. So they're in a lot of the top spots for the buyer intent keywords that you should be ranking for also. So chiropractor Midland, Michigan, 400 searches. Midland chiropractor, Midland chiropractic, another 500 searches. There's also a lot of massage search volume out there. I don't know if you guys only do chiropractor services or if you also do massage, but there's also a lot of massage traffic also. You can see right here that there's almost 1,000 with just these two. And then you can see there's more. There's 20 search traffic for chiropractors in Midland, Michigan. So essentially, those buyer intent, serviceable location keywords are the ones that you want to have on your website. And then you need to get more backlinks than these people have to start outranking them. And the way that you do that is you can go right in and see what websites that they're getting backlinks from. So they're getting links from MapQuest, Yellow Pages, Bird Eye, Super Pages, Best Pros in Town, and so on. So essentially you can go right in there and you can go in there and get the same link that they're getting, because if these links are good enough to rank their website in first, then the links will be good enough to rank your website in first also. But you don't want to stop at the same amount that they have. You generally want to get, I like to double the amount, so you want to get probably 1,000 backlinks over time, and that should start bringing you in an additional 200-300 amount of traffic per month. And I don't know about you, but another 200 or 300 people a month on your website looking for your services is definitely going to fill your guys' place up. But that's all I had for you guys. I hope this video has at least been educational for you. If you'd like to know more about how I could help grow your business online, please feel free to reach back out and we can chat. Thanks again, Dr. Balzer, and have a great day.